Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Smart Sweets. This is the peach rings. I've never tried the peach rings. I've always tried the gummy bear. And the gummies were my favorite, so I've never tried this one. So let's see what it tastes like. And if you look here, plant-based. No alcohol sugars. There it is, 17 grams of fiber per bag. There's the ingredients. They use stevia. And some rice flour in there. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, so there it is. That's what they look like. They're not bad. They're not gummy-like. They're more like a gel. The aroma of the peach rings are not bad. It's like mild, slightly sweet. Not bad. Definitely check it out, guys. My favorite is still the gummies. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.